Sup? Today we're going to compare free versions of both Mailchimp platform and Omnisend, and in this episode we're going to focus on push notifications specifically. So let's check out Mailchimp first. And here we are in the Mailchimp dashboard, and well, I got bad news for you. Push notifications as a feature is not natively available in Mailchimp. But technically, you could enable push notifications with some third-party integrations. To check on those, you can navigate below and go to integrations and then click on this cup. If you find an application that works for your case and allows you to send push notifications, good for you, keep using that. But natively, Mailchimp does not allow push notifications to be sent out, as opposed to Omnisend, which does offer push notifications natively. To enable push notifications, you can go to Campaigns, Create Campaign, Push Notification, and then click on Connect App. So because this is a pretty fresh store, I have not yet connected the push notification app with Omnisend, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Collect push notification subscribers and just turn on push notifications. And as simple as that. Now if you go back to Campaigns, Create Campaign, Push Notification, and Create Notification. So if you are not aware what push notifications are, they are these little pop-ups in the browser, as you can see in the preview over here, and we can send them ourselves using Omnisend. So let me walk you through these input fields. So the campaign name is just going to be used internally. In my case, let's just call it test. And the title goes over here, so let's call it Big Sale. Pretty generic. Maybe you can come up with something better, but let's just keep it as is for now. And for the text, let's include 10% off our latest drops. Then we can select the audience that we would like to send this push notification to. In my case, it's just going to be all subscribers. Let's go to next step. Well, because I don't really have a lot of subscribers at the moment, it's just going to show me this error message right here, but hopefully your store has a bit more than 0 contacts. And in the final stage of the creation process, we can review the campaign, choose the recipients again, and then select when to send the campaign. In my case, we can just send it now. Actually, we can't because there's no one to send to. Very sad. So on Omnisend, you can create push notification campaigns, but that's not all. You can also create push notifications in automations. Let me show you. Automations. Let's create one. Let's create a welcome one. And here we have this simple template. We can just drag and drop the push notification right after email. Then we can select the title, the body again, and the URL that this notification would link to. And it's as simple as that. And there you go. While Mailchimp does not offer push notifications natively, you can enable those using third-party integrations, while Omnisend, on the other hand, does offer a native push notification solution that you can enable for both campaigns and automations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.